fungi. We are going to see here the characters of the fungi. They are known as the saline characters or the general characters. First, in these characters, we are going to see that is the habitat. The fungi, they are growing on the dead organic matter. Therefore, majority of the fungus, they are known as the saprophytes. Some species of the fungi, they are growing on the terrestrial. Terrestrial in sense, the fungi, they grow on soil or above the soil surface, means on the wooden logs also, plants also. They are known as terrestrial. Some fungi are the parasitic. Parasitic fungi, they are the growing on the living organisms. Some fungi are the aquatic fungi. Aqueous means water, that is known as hydra. The fungi which grow in water or water related substratum, they are known as the aquatic fungi. These aquatic fungi are forming foam-like structures on the water. Some fungi, they are the symbiotic habitat. In this symbiotic habitat, means two living organisms, living organism, symbiotic, two living organisms together form and get beneficials. Here lichen, they are the association of the algae and fungi. Here, fungi provides the shelter to this living organism. Algae, in sense, algae provides the food material and directly given to this lichen. This association to get each other, it is known as a symbiotic association. Mode of life. How they live. The fungi are the growing on dead organic matter. In sense, the ripened fruits, store fruits, jam, jellies, pickles, fresh coconut, roti, chapati, which are stores in the tiffin, on which cottony mass is formed. This cottony mass is black in color or whitish in color. This growing on this organic matter, therefore, this mode of nutrition of this fungus, it is known as the heterotrophic. Here, hetero means different, trophic means level. For the food purpose, these fungi grow on organic matter. Therefore, they are known as heterotrophic. Some fungi are the parasitics. Parasites are the fungi. They grow on living organisms. They directly grow or they suck the food material from the cell membrane. With this organisms already they prepare the food material. This prepared food material they suck the penetrating the hastoreum in this body, and this hastoreum means racinic, or it is known as the root-like structures that penetrates into the body and directly suck the prepared food material. Therefore, they grow on the living organisms. Therefore, they are known as parasitics. Here, heterotrophic the fungi, they are commonly Mucor, Aspergillus, Rhizopus, Penicillium. These are the common fungus. Parasites, they are grow on the living organisms. They are generally known as powdery mildews. Means the upper or lower surface of the leaves of the many plants, they form whitish powder on the leaves, and the entire covers the leaf area, and due to which they forms the mat of this fungus. Therefore, they are known as powdery mildews. There are small smuts, some types of the runs. Smuts generally they are grown on the growing or milky stages of these seeds, and seeds that the milky stage is directly converts into the black sodium powder. Some of the rust in general they are known as tabera, तांबूस कलरचा ज्वारीवर पडणारा किंवा गव्हावर पडणारा तांबेरा, and due to which yield is reduced. Because the mode of life, the fungus, they are lack of chlorophyll, and due to which chlorophyll is absent in these plants. Therefore, they are unable to synthesize the old food during the sunlight in the form of the carbohydrates, that is known as starch. They are simply formed and converts into the simple forms to the growing regions. Such type of the chlorophylls are absent. Therefore, mode of life, that is a heterotrophic parasitic one. Food material, reserve food material in this fungus is known as the glycogen. Fungus differs in their thallus structure. Vegetative structure in the fungus, it is known as the mycelium. The mycelium is a long one, a small piece, shortened piece. It is known as the hyphae. Singular hypha. Here the hyphae are unicellular, means in which only single cell is present. Hyphae may be multicellular. Hyphae may be non-septate. Hyphae may be septate one. This mycelium vegetative structure thallus consists dense protoplast in which the nucleus, cellular organelles, oil globules, oils, fats, which are stored in the thallus. Therefore, it is important of the fungus one. The cell wall of the fungus consists the fungal cellulose and chitin. It shows the nuclear stages. In this nuclear status, happy are the eukaryotic. They are the multinucleate. The mycelium may be homokaryotic. Only one kind of the nucleus is present. They may be heterokaryotic. These are haploid or maybe diploid one. Reproductions of the fungi. It reproduces by means of the asexual reproduction as well as the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of the fragmentation. Fragmentation, the thallus, that is a mycelium, is cut into the number of small segments. Each and every segment undergoes the division and gives rise to new thallus. There are also reproduction takes place by means of the fission, major common reproduction in the fungi. It is by means of the budding. It's Saccharomyces by takes place the budding. It produces by means of the spore formation. Zoospore formation is common in fungi. Asexually, it reproduces by means of the zoospores. Zoospores may be spherical to oval in outline or kidney-shaped, and each and every zoospores having the flagella. The flagella may be flagellae or tinsel-shaped flagella which are formed. It is common. The majority of the fungus formations takes place by means of the zoospore formation. It may be reproduces by means of the aplanospores, the producer. Here, sexual reproduction takes place by means of the formation of the gametangia. This gametangia, it produces by means of the male sex organ and the female sex organ. Male sex organ, it is known as the antheridia. Antheridia, male. Oogonia, it is known as the female. The oogonia and antheridia, the sexual reproductive organs, they undergoes the reproduction by firstly, that is a karyogamy takes place. In this karyogamy, the nucleus of the gametes, that is a male nucleus, and egg cell, that is a female nucleus, that is the first takes place. The structure they are known as the karyogamy. It also takes place followed by means of the plasmogamy. Means the plasma of the gametes, they are developed, they are fused to each other. Plasma of the antheridium and oogonium takes place known as a plasmogamy, and lastly it reproduces by means of the somatogamy. Means somatogamy. Soma means vegetative thallus of the gametes. In this vegetative thallus, the reproductive structures which are developed. These developed reproductive structures here, In first karyogamete, the nucleus of the gametes, they are fusion. Right? Three types of the reproduction nucleus takes place. The first type is karyogamete, in which the nucleus of the gametes, they are fusion takes place. After this, immediately plasma of the both male and female, they are fused together, and the entire thallus of the gametes, they are fused, and after fusions it produces the new thallus. Such type the reproduction takes place each and every exams, and fungi, they are grown.